Shall we begin? Hi everyone, I am Charu Bhardwaj, nutritionist with 15 years of experience in this field. So I have tried almost all the aspects of nutrition, like in diabetes nutrition, sports nutrition, child related nutrition. I have worked with various corporates, various content development companies, and also I have worked with ad agencies. So why I am telling you all this? Because I have understanding of the requirements of all the age groups actually. So when we talk about nutrition, one thing which is of a concern is everybody talk about adult nutrition. So very few companies or very few people talk about child nutrition. Especially in India, people think, okay, it's a kid, so he can eat everything. Everything is required, he should eat that, which is right. But when we talk about anybody who is in sports or athlete, so we need to take care of their health from the beginning. So this is nutrition week going on, a nutrition month this year actually. So the theme of this nutrition month is right nutrition from the start. So that's the reason, start for kids actually. So whatever we teach them at this point in time, whatever they learn, they will follow throughout. We think, okay, now they can have anything and later on maybe they will indulge into right habits, but that never happens. It should happen from the start. They should have an understanding, decision they can take later. Okay, so instead of this one side session, I would like to have this kind of a conversation or a talk, or maybe I need to understand what exactly you guys understand about nutrition. What do you think it is? Although I know you are too young, you are least bothered maybe about nutrition, but still you must have read in school, in your classes, your teacher must have spoken about protein, carbs. So can you teach me today? Can you teach me as well today? Maybe I will able to rectify the things, you know, maybe there's some gap which needs to be cover up. I will help you out. And also I need to understand from parents what they feel is nutrition and how they are managing that aspect as well. So today I have my team with me. One is Naveen, okay, from Gridzo, and dietitian Priya as well with me. So after this 15-20 minutes talk, she will take one-on-one counseling with each parent. Okay, so let's begin this session. Can you tell me, maybe anybody from the group can tell me what exactly is carb? Any kid? Have you heard about this term, carb, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals? Have you ever heard about this? Any kid? You have heard?
Yes, but I don't know much about it.
Okay, you don't know about it, but you have heard about it. Anybody else? Okay.
Carbs are actually energy proteins that have a little bit of fat in consistency.
Okay, anybody else? So there's a lot of gap in understanding, so I will just mention when we eat food, why we eat food. Okay, simple question, why we eat?
It's give energy.
Very nice, very good.
It's give
Grow, very good. Anything else?
It's give different nutrition our body.
Yes. So when you said it gives different nutrients to our body, so what are nutrients? Carb, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, these are the nutrients. Okay, so what we get from food is these nutrients. And being into sports, being into athletic activities, do you think you need more nutrition than anybody else? Do you believe that? Do you need more nutrition than any other normal kid who is not into sports activity? Why so? Okay, very nice.
Actually, when you move, you consume more energy, which gives hungriness, and it increases the need of energy. More food and a balanced diet provides the sufficient energy.
Rightly said. So, and kid into sports needs more of energy. So from where we get energy? We get energy from carbs and fat. So fats are not, have you heard about, okay, don't have butter, this much butter, your parents must be telling you, don't have this much cheese, don't have that, it has very much oil. Have you heard that? Don't have chips or anything else. Have you heard about these stuffs at home? Okay, why they say that? You have heard why they say that. You don't understand. You don't have an understanding. Okay, I will tell you why. Okay, so when I said you need carbohydrates because you need more energy as compared to any other kid who is not into any kind of physical activity. So you need energy for your day-to-day work as well as for your sport activity. So you expend more energy, like he said. Sorry, what's your name? Avi. Okay, so Avi has mentioned we need more energy to do this sports activities as well, right? So apart from carbohydrates, which gives us energy, what else is required? Second, I mentioned about proteins. So what is protein? Any example of protein can you give me? Avi, do you know proteins? Okay, so how many of you eat cheese at home? How many of you have milk at home? Nobody? Really? Really? You don't like milk? You like milk? Okay, how you are having milk? You like plain milk or you include something in your milk? You add something, what? Bournvita. Okay, very nice. So you add Bournvita for taste. Because anything else you don't know what it's giving you, right? Okay, so Bournvita she's adding in her milk, but apart from that, hope everybody is having milk, curd, cheese, all these things at home. So what do these things give you? These things give you protein. Now question is why you need protein. Okay, how many of you while playing feel extreme fatigue or maybe some pain in your arm, your bow arm maybe sometimes feel painful when you lift? How many of you feel that after starting playing for like 5-10 minutes? Have you ever felt fatigue, tiredness, extreme tiredness, sometimes pain in your arm also? Nobody?
Yes, everywhere. Who says no? Let me see who says no. Dheeraj sir? 15 minutes extra. Who says no? 15 minutes extra fitness session.
So as your ma'am is mentioning that yes, you are facing this issue, that means you have some muscle weakness. So what nutrient builds muscle? Protein. Protein builds muscle. So you get protein from milk, you get protein from milk products like curd, meats, non-veg, any type of that, but these are all sources. But what source, what quantity is right for you, you need to understand. Maybe you are eating everything. Okay, I like chicken, I like mutton, I like milk so much, so I am having in whatever quantity. That should not happen. That's why we have Priya today with us. So she will guide you how much of these things you should be consuming. Okay, that's about protein. So next comes fat. So as you're mentioning that you are being asked not to have this and that stuff at home, so why your parents are worried about fats? Are they enemies? Yes.
Fats actually provide energy, but excessive of them, they keep storing in different parts of body, which creates multiple fractures of skin.
Yes, very nice. But the person who is physically active, do that person needs fat?
Yes.
Yes. But what kind of fat? Question is that. Having chips, having maybe some other fried stuff will suffice that? No. So good quality fat. Good quality fats, your parents understand MUFA, PUFA. So for you, that understanding will be giving them on the counseling also. But for you, you need to understand good fats and bad fats. Okay, so when we'll have one-on-one session, Priya will make you understand about those choices. Right? Next, How many of you have fruits and veggies? What kind of fruits you like?
Bananas, apples, grapes, pomegranates,
Wow. Wow. Anybody else?
anything except apples.
Except?
Apples,
Except apples. Why?
carrots.
Oh, you don't like you. I thought you don't like apples, so it doesn't suit you. It doesn't suit you. Okay. Okay. Anybody else can mention about any fruit you like? Yes, please.
Grapes, apple, banana.
Wow, you like all of them? How many servings of these you have in a day? How many times you have that in a day?
One time.
One time. Anybody else? How many times you have the fruits in your daily meal? 2 times. 2 times. Very good. So 2 times is must. 2 serving of fruit is must in your diet. So what these fruits give you now? So in the beginning I mentioned about carbohydrate, fats, protein. What left is vitamins and minerals. You get that from fruits and veggies. So how many of you love veggies here? Green leafy vegetables. You like? Wow. Anybody else? You like?
I like peas.
You like peas? Any leafy vegetable you like?
Cabbages.
You like spinach? No? Okay, I was expecting that. So it's for parents, it is also important for this age that yes, everybody knows that green leafy vegetables are important in child's diet, but you need to understand how you can give these vegetables maybe in interesting form, maybe in tastier form. So that you may ask during the one-on-one session. Okay, but that has to be incorporated. 2 servings of leafy vegetables is also important. Okay, so as I mentioned, you need vitamins and minerals, right? So why you need vitamin and minerals? Carbs give you energy, fat gives you energy, protein makes your muscle strong, right? But all these 3 will not work unless and until we'll have vitamins and mineral also. So if we don't have fruits and vegetables in our diet, you will not get or benefit of these 3 nutrients. So you keep on telling me, okay, I have this much milk, I am having too much of bread maybe, or I am having too much of cheese or something, I am having enough. But no, if you're not having green leafy vegetable, if you're not having fruits, that pain ma'am was talking about will persist. You will not overcome that. How many of you want to overcome that fatigue and pain? You, very nice. You also want to? Nobody else? Or want to overcome that? So for that you need to have all these 5 groups. Now what is left? Very important thing which I have left here. Minerals, vitamins, fat, protein, carbs is covered. Water, very nice. So water, how many of you keep sipping water in between?
9 glasses a day.
9 glasses in a day. You also have?
2 bottles.
And during the session, how many of you drink?
11 glasses.
11 glasses. During the session you have? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So why you drink water? For oxygen. Okay. So if we don't have enough water, first of all these nutrients, how will they circulate? A body has maximum of water, or we have blood which circulates throughout the body. So how your nutrients reach your eyes? Eyes is to see, hands is to help you walk, right? Legs are to walk. So how these limbs get nutrients? Through the circulation. So water is to maintain the circulation, also to prevent dehydration. So what happens when a person feels dehydrated? What happens?
They feel
Tired, rest. What else?
tired, unconscious.
Weakness, lack of concentration also. Okay, so this activity you are in requires lot of concentration, right? If you're not having water, how will you concentrate? Okay, So it's important to have enough water, and how much water is required, again during one-on-one session we'll discuss, right? Okay, so how many of you know about what to eat before an activity, during the activity, and after the activity, or any sports activity I'm talking about? Do you have an understanding what kind of food or meal or snack you have before coming here? Yes,
Fat.
you have fats. And anybody else? What your parents are normally giving you before coming here? Have you had anything before coming here? Kids at the back, what did you have?
Shirin. Carbohydrate.
What kind? What? Example, give me example.
Rice.
You had rice just before coming here.
No, 2 to 3 hours.
So lunch time, right? And nothing you have had before coming here?
Banana shake before coming here.
Yeah, that's fruit you had. Okay, I hope all of you had something or having something before coming, because it's also important. So you need to have carb rich stuff before coming here. So again, why you need carbs? To generate instant energy. So you are into activities, you need little more calories, little more energy to expend. So you need to have some energy drink maybe, or maybe fruits, very nice fruits, or maybe whatever gives you instant energy source. Why we need this instant energy source before the activity? Can anybody explain me? So Avi, you mentioned you had some fat, high fat energy source you had. Why? What's the reason?
Fats give instant energy, or you can have glucose, because when blood breaks down, it all breaks down to glucose. Glucose is direct energy. When you absorb direct energy, you don't have to digest. So that's instant energy.
So I will give you a reason. He explained nice, but the reason is why we have carbs before doing any activity. To one thing is, yes, to give you instant energy which is required. Second is, we don't want our protein source to be used for energy. Why we don't want protein source to be used energy? Anybody can explain me? Maybe from the parents or elders, I will expect that answer. Why we don't want? Okay, carbs, protein and fat, these three are macronutrients. All these three give energy, but we don't want to use protein as a source of energy. We only want to use fats or carbs as a source of energy. Any? Yes, very rightly said.
Is used after the exercise or after the activity, so it can help in repairing the muscles,
Yes.
and it is not lost during the exercise because it is required actually to build the muscles. So it should be taken post the activity, not during or before.
You have rightly said, but not just about the muscle, but apart from that, proteins are being utilized in our body for various functions. Our hormones are made of protein, our muscles are made of protein, right? Our blood also has protein. So it has numerous functions. Why to use protein for energy when we have other sources for energy available with us readily? So we have to, body always want to keep protein as the third option as a source of energy. And if we are utilizing protein as a source of energy, we are breaking our muscles. That's the reason. That is one of the reasons you are feeling that pain in your arm, or you're feeling tired, or maybe you're feeling little, lack of concentration issues. All this comes up. Now, we have mentioned that we need protein post activity. Rightly said. Now, what kind of protein? What kind of proteins we need? Do you know about we always mention about milk, right? So what milk has? Calcium. What protein milk has? Have you heard about this term whey and casein? Okay, for kids obviously it's a new thing. Whey and casein are two proteins you found in milk. Okay, you find these two proteins in milk. So these two proteins, one casein, which you must have seen at home, paneer we call it, that's a casein. It takes time to get digested. Okay, other is whey, which your mom normally throw out while making paneer. Okay, that milk white, the watery part is whey. So that is full of nutrients. So if you try to have that milk or that watery part of that while making milk, that has more nutrients. So what I am saying is whey protein again is important for a sports person or somebody who is into, because it gives you instant amino acids and again a bit of energy for a function. Okay, so this session was supposed to be general information about the diet and protein, but yes, we understand every person is different, requirements are different. So obviously discussion on one-on-one will define what exactly your body needs. We also have a body composition analysis machine with us, which gives you understanding of how much protein and muscle mass or fat mass is in your body. So you can also get it checked. Naveen is there. Any questions for me? Anything you may want to ask? So what did you understand today? Yes, please.
That proteins are important.
What is important?
Protein.
Proteins are important. Very good.
Everything is important.
Everything is important. Okay. All the nutrients are important, and you will pledge to start having fruits and vegetables more in your diet. Right? Right? If you're not having, I will call your mama papa and ask. I will give them good solution to have make it tastier for you. Okay, but you have to have it if you really want to be a good in your sports, respective sports you want to. Okay, shall we begin with the one-on-one counseling?
Any questions? Parents, sir, आप पूछ लीजिए अगर कुछ बच्चे.
Maybe they are waiting, maybe in counseling they want to ask.
Yeah, in counseling they will.
Okay, so special request from parents that we have to discuss about the packaged food. So as you have mentioned, so there's something in your mind why you have mentioned that, so maybe you can start with.
Kids are more prone towards the Maggi kind of thing, the noodles or the packaged
Sometimes
food.
cold drink as well, and biscuits, some Oreo and chocolate biscuits, these types of things.
Okay, so how many of you, from kids I'm asking, how many of you have Maggi, chips, biscuits?
Like it twice a week, not
So okay, so everybody has that. Okay, or every day you having these things?
They want to, but we parents are
Okay, why your parents are forcing you not to have? Yes.
actually when you compound Maggi, it's just hot water reigniting old components which make up the food. So it's, imagine how many preservatives it takes to pre-freeze the Maggi in that shape.
Okay, so one thing is preservatives. You don't understand about what preservative is, but this is, you need to understand these are something which is harmful for your body. But my point is not here. While discussing about fats, I mentioned about good and bad fats. These products, these packaged products have bad fats, which will not make you strong, which will not make you focus or concentrate the way you want in your game. This will not make your arms strong. Okay, that will hamper the function of the food you are eating. Whatever you eat, the healthy food, the food you are given by your parents, has something good for you. If you are not having that and you want to have more of chips and Maggi and all those stuff in your diet, that has no use. Your food has no use. I am not saying not to have these things. One must have. I also have Maggi. I also have chips, but not daily. Not daily, not at all. Okay, maybe once or twice a week, that's okay. So you can fix a timing with your parents or day with your parents. Okay, this is my cheat meal day, so I can have anything of my choice today, but not in the quantity. The quantity will be defined by us or your parents. Who wants to be a best archer here? Really want to be best in your sports? Very good. Only one wants to be best in their sports. You also wants to be good in your sport, whatever activity you are doing. So what do you need now?
Balance.
balanced diet. So you can take next section from him also. Very good, Avi. So let's begin with our one-on-one counseling.
बाकी आप बनाना वगैरह फ्रूट वगैरह क्या खाते हैं? एप्पल और ऑरेंज वाला बनाना नहीं खाते? मैं खाती हूँ पर कभी कभी बेटा डेली एक बनाना खाओ, फॉस्फोरस कम है इसमें, ठीक है, मतलब बोन डेंसिटी कम हो रहा है तो वो फॉस्फोरस से कवर अप हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एक बनाना डेली एक बनाना यहाँ से जाने के और कोशिश कीजिए जो चिकन ब्रेस्ट रहता है वो खिलाएं, बोनलेस चिकन हमें खिलाना, हाँ खिलाना है, बोन वाला चिकन नहीं खाना, उसमें ना क्या होता है में आपका कोई भी पौधे आ जाएगा, जैसे आप